guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey remote start for specifically this model, Genesis G80. You could order this product from MyKeyPremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. What I like about this product, that it's 100% plug and play, and you don't need any additional key fobs. You use your original key fob. Now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you will have 3 different set of wires and a module. Make sure for this specific model, you'll have this setup. 1, 2 are down, 3 are up, 4 is down. And on the black channels, the first one is down, and 2, 3, and 4 are up. So you'll have this small set of wires, and this is a little bigger one, and this is the main harness. So all of them are going to be connected to each other. They're going to be ran all the way from the passenger door all the way to the driver's door. So basically this is how it's going to work. This is the biggest harness. This is the main one. So we're going to unplug some wires from the car's module, connect those wires into here, and these wires are going to go back into the car. Basically this is the 2-sided wires. For the one in the middle, this one's gonna go right under the glove compartment. From there, we're gonna run this wire all the way through from the glove compartment all the way to the driver's side, and it's gonna be connected to the main harness, just like this. With this wire, it's gonna be connected right over here. We're gonna unplug some wires, plug them into this wire, and then plug this back into the car. And these 2 pins are gonna be connected to the main harness. Red to red, blue to blue. First thing what we have to do is get this panel out. This one pops right out. We're gonna remove the door seal. Move this panel. It's gonna have 3 screws, 1 here and 2 right here. After that, we're gonna unscrew. There is gonna be a little screw right underneath. You'll see it once you're gonna be installing it. And this whole panel comes right out. It pops out. For that, I will use a screwdriver and a trim remover. Perfect. Now once you pop it out, now you can remove the seal. Just like that. So now let's pop this out. And the same thing on this side. Let's do this one first. Just like that. Now this is out. It's gonna have these 3 connectors. 1, 2, and then 1 right here. So here you go. 1 is out. Second one is out. And this one, pretty simple. Just press it on the sides. And pull it up. Just like that. So now the smallest wire, smallest connector. We're gonna unplug the very bottom connector. Just right here. Unplug this. There you go. We're gonna connect it to here. Just like that, make sure it clicks all the way. And now this side, put it back in. And that's mainly the whole thing we're gonna be doing today. So now we're gonna unplug these 3 white connectors. The biggest one, as you can see, is all the way on top. The smallest one is in the middle, and the medium one on the bottom. Now let's unplug these wires. So now we're gonna connect the main harness into these 3 connectors. Check it out. This is the smallest one. Goes in just like that. This is the middle one. There you go, make sure it clicks. And the biggest one. Just like that. So now, these 3 connectors are gonna go back into the car's module. There you go, the middle one is in. Just like that. Now we're gonna do the smallest one. The biggest one goes right after. There you go, now all 3 are in. So now we have these 3 pins. We're gonna connect them into the main harness. Blue to blue, red to red. And make sure it's all the way in. Now we have one more thing to do. We're gonna connect this wire right under the glove compartment. Under the glove compartment, you're gonna have this panel. You take this panel first. I'm gonna unpop this small panel. Just like that. Now, as you could see, they have those little clippers. There's 3 of them. So now let's take out the main panel. Just like that. Now it has 1 and 2 connectors. Let's take them out. See, there's a little, you have to press it down and then pull it out. Same thing for this one. Now let's put this aside. Now we're gonna unplug this connector, the one that is closest to you. Just like that. We're gonna connect the last harness into this. And this side is gonna go back into the cars. Here you go, make sure it's all the way in and make sure it clicks. Now this piece, we're gonna connect this into the main harness. So what we have to do is we have to run this piece all the way through here and get it from the other side. So once you run this wire all the way through it, now let's connect these 2. Just like that. Now we're gonna connect everything to our new module. We're gonna connect this wire first, and the power. What was the last one? Just like that. So once you test it, put this panel away somewhere above the gas pedal so it doesn't wobble around. Install the panel back, make sure you connect these connectors, put this back in too. Basically the same way you took it out. Good luck. Once you finish installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with 1 small interval. Just like that. Now the car started.